Chloe and Courtney are coming over so we can discuss my new backyard.
So, what are you doing in your backyard?
I want to make a river.
Why?
Shut up, Courtney. Just follow me.
Kim, you're so annoying.
Stupid rock. Oh my.
Kim, you don't even know anything about rocks.
Shut up. Rocks are so stupid and useless. You just suck. Courtney thinks she knows everything about rocks, but that's clearly not true.
Kim thinks rocks are useless, but I brought someone in to prove her wrong.
Yeah, just come on over. She said she's making some lake river in her backyard.
Oh my gosh, Kim, stop taking selfies.
Courtney, did you call?
Chloe, what are you doing here?
Courtney told me that you wanted to build a river, but you think rocks are dumb.
Don't worry about it. I'm just gonna hire someone, okay?
With Kanye being $53 million in debt.
Why would you say that you're putting me in such an uncomfortable situation? Sisters are so rude. How can they put me in such a situation? I mean, Courtney can't even buy herself a Bentley.
I'm about to teach Kim a life lesson on rocks.
Courtney, come. Chloe's gonna teach me a life lesson.
I have to put Mason to bed because he's getting kind of reckless.
Yeah, you do that.
Any rock on the Earth's surface is affected by weathering, erosion, and deposition. This breaks down the rock into very small pieces called sediments. These sediments are transported into major bodies of water, such as the oceans and seas. The sediments sink to the bottom, forming a layer of sediments. These sediments are compressed and cemented together by overlaying weight, forming sedimentary rock.
Metamorphic rocks have been changed over time by extreme pressure and heat. Metamorphic rocks can be formed by pressure deep under the Earth's surface, from the extreme heat caused by magma or by the intense collisions and friction of tectonic plates. Uplift and erosion help bring metamorphic rock to the Earth's surface.
Okay. Igneous rock is formed from the cooling and solidification of magma or lava.
So Kim, we're gonna give you a model of how this river, lake, whatever it's called, is gonna look like in your backyard.
Okay.
For this experiment, you'll need a tray, some sand, a ruler, and some kind of water supply.
And yourself, of course.
Shut up, Kim.
Excuse me? Courtney, you're so stupid and so rude. I can't believe you're my sister.
So what you want to do first is you dump sand into your tray and you use a ruler to flatten out the sand, and you have to make sure to slant it. Ow, my nail.
So step 2? Yeah, step 2. You want to take an empty water container or something, like whatever, and fill it up with like water. So it's like full of water.
So, to go through with the experiment, all you need to do is pour the water into the tray of sand and try to create a river.
But Kim, where do you think all the sand went to?
Like to the bottom and the sides.
True.
Yeah, so dope. So, Court, how fast did the water flow?
Well, like, we had a low slope, so I think the water flowed really slowly.
What shape did the channels make?
Well,
Slim, thick.
What shape is the sand deposit at the end?
It's like when I haven't changed North's diaper in a while and it's just like a big mess.
AKA a small hill. Well, from my observation, I think that when the water became faster, it made the river become more narrow. And the more slower the water got, it made it more wider.
This experiment is just an ongoing cycle of what happens in a real river. I never took geography, so I don't know that answer, but like Google does. So like floods can distribute large amounts of water and suspend sediments over vast areas as well as make the river wider. Okay, so in conclusion, we learned
That the flow of the water depends the narrowness of the river.
And also, it moves the sediments to the side and towards the bottom of the river.
so like Chloe and Brittany are coming over. I can't do it. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. So like, ow,
Call.
Chloe.
Pour it down at the top of the slant to form a river.
I can't do it.
And that's what a river looks like.
Guys, what is this?
Sand washed off too.
It went to the bottom.